Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. In this lecture, I am going to discuss what are the applications of CATIA software, which which companies are using this software, and also discussing about what are the features and benefits of CATIA software. Now, let us discussing about application of CATIA software. Many industries and companies are using CATIA software. These are the few applications of CATIA software: shipbuilding applications, electronics applications, appliances applications, mold and die applications, automotive applications, defense applications, machinery applications, consumer goods applications, architecture applications, furniture applications, construction applications, aerospace application. Now let us briefly discussing about application of CATIA software. In this first one is appliances applications. Panasonic chose CATIA from Dassault Systems to create a collaborative environment among its design, manufacturing and partner companies to promote concurrent engineering. Panasonic Home Appliances specializes in household appliances including refrigerators, washing machines, and rice cookers. Its kitchen appliance business unit, that in short form BU, manufactures and sells induction heated ranges and other IH-enabled cooking appliances. IH electrically powered range have increased in popularity due to their clean and eco-friendly nature. Next one is aerospace applications. The Boeing company used CATIA V3 to develop its 777 airliner and used CATIA V5 for the 787 series aircraft. They have employed the full range of Dassault Systems 3D PLM products: CATIA, Delamia, and Enovia LCA, supplemented by Boeing developed applications. The development of the Indian light combat aircraft has used CATIA V5. Chinese Xi'an JH-7A was the first aircraft developed by CATIA V5 when the design was completed on 26 September 2000. European Airspace Airbus is also using CATIA software. Canadian aircraft maker Bombardier Aerospace had done all of its aircraft design on CATIA V5 software. British Aerospace Systems uses CATIA. The Brazilian aircraft company Embraer uses CATIA V4 and V5 to build all airplanes. FNSS, that means Functional Needs Support Services, is using CATIA V5 and V6. Both aircraft industries uses CATIA V4 and V5 to produce its parts. The Anglo-Italian helicopter company Augusta Westland uses CATIA V4 and V5 to design their full range of aircraft. All subsidiaries of the French company Safran use CATIA for a full range of aerospace defense and security products. The Eurofighter Typhoon has been designed using both CATIA V4 and V5. The main supplier of helicopters to the US military forces, Sikorsky Aircraft Corp uses CATIA as well. P3 Voith is using CATIA V6 electrical. Bell Helicopter, the creator of the Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey, has used CATIA V4, V5 and V6. Of course, Dassault Aviation is also using CATIA and they are currently working on CATIA V6. Now let's discussing about automotive applications of CATIA software. Many automotive companies use CATIA to varying degrees including BMW, Porsche, McLaren Automotive, Chrysler, Honda, Audi, Jaguar, Land Rover, Volkswagen, Seat, Skoda, Bentley Motors Limited, Volvo, Fiat, Bentley International, PSA, Peugeot, Citroën, Renault, Toyota, Ford, Scania, Hyundai, Tesla Motors, Rolls-Royce Motors, Walmart Automotive, Proton, Alba, Tata Motors and Mahindra Limited. Goodyear uses it in making tires for automotive and aerospace and also uses a customized CATIA for its design and development. Many automotive companies use CATIA for car structures, door beams, IP supports, bumper beams, roof rails, side rails, body components because of CATIA's capabilities in computer representation of surfaces. Bombardier Transportation of Canada is using this software to design its entire fleet of train engines and coaches. Webasto uses CATIA to design its roof. Now let us discussing shipbuilding application of CATIA. Dassault Systems have begun serving shipbuilders with CATIA V5 Release 8, which includes special features useful to shipbuilders. GD Electric Boat used CATIA to design the latest fast attack submarine class for the United States Navy, the Virginia class. Newport News Shipbuilding also used CATIA to design the Gerald R. Ford class of supercarriers for the US Navy. In 2004, it has been adopted by the uh, Binet Group for development of new sailing and laser motor boats. Next one is architecture applications. Architect Frank Gehry has used the software through through the C-Cubed Virtual Architecture Company, now Virtual Build team, to design curvilinear buildings. His technology arm, Gehry Technologies, has been developing software based on CATIA V5 named Digital Project. Digital Project competes for market share with Grosh, Grosshopsoft, ArchiCAD, Revit, AECOSIM Building Designer and other building information modeling applications. Shop architects companies using CATIA for its designers. Latest AEC company is AEC company to use CATIA 3D experience on the cloud is Zaha Hadid Architects, who also won the 2017 award for innovation in collaboration awarded by the Construction Computing Journal for the collaboration on the Danjiang Bridge project in Taiwan. This is the case study project. Now let's discussing about features of CATIA software. In this first one is social design environment, global collaboration, instinctive 3D experience, capture manufacturing process intent, cross-discipline development, product modeling, unbreakable relational design, systems engineering, advanced surface modeling, engineering, integrated multidisciplinary approach, product design and styling. These are the few features in CATIA software. Now let us discussing about benefits of CATIA. In this first one, disciplined system. CATIA takes in multidiscipline approach when it boils down to product development and design. It looks into certain needs from different disciplines to help companies develop and review new products. Next benefit is sketching and rendering technology. Users can gain access to various tools that give them the ability to explore and design new ideas. With CATIA's revolutionary 3D sketching functionality, users can bring in 2D sketches and generate new design ideas. Designers who want to improve on virtual experience can create quality rendering via global illumination as well as perfecting shadows and reflections. Next one is engineering insights. CATIA can help engineers to expand their insights by looking into factors influencing the quality and overall performance of their products by means of its 3D modeling tools. They are given the freedom to conduct an analysis and generate mechanical products within their operating environments via simulation, prototyping, and comprehensive analysis. Next one is multi-platform development. The platform offers architects, developers, and engineers a combination of verification, multidiscipline modeling, and support for business processing. CATIA offers users flexibility by letting them integrate 3D processes and embedded systems for improved simulation of products and complicated systems. Next one is market compliance. CATIA's requirements engineering ensures engineers will remain compliant with their marketing regulations and requirements while minimizing cost in both system and product development. Last one is active collaboration. The tool's collaborative 3D environment allows stakeholders and users to actively participate in the design process. Such an environment can be accessed via 3D dashboards while serving as a medium for truth. This is a brief discussion about applications, benefits, and features of CATIA software. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.